Welcome, bienvenue. Let's take a closer look at the different hydronic calculators we will find in the Tools section of HySelect. The viscosity correction tool is used to calculate the true flow of a liquid in a valve according to the actual liquid characteristics and viscosity. Because usually all computations are based on a strictly turbulent flow regime. Nevertheless, HySelect, thanks to its highly specialized mathematical models and algorithms, is able to determine the actual flow regime in a valve, which is turbulent, intermediary or laminar, according to its operation conditions, and thus take this flow regime into account to compute the true flow going through the selected valve in the specified conditions. Start with the valve selection, so specifying the type, family and device. Adjust the water characteristics. There are 4 parameters in the right area of this window. Enter a value for 2 of these parameters in order for the application to automatically compute the remaining 2 values as shown here. Setting is the valve's current setting. Chart flow is the theoretical flow value assuming a strictly turbulent flow regime. And the true flow, this is the true flow based on actual regime, so turbulent, intermediary or laminar. The second calculator is an easy-to-use pipe pressure drop calculator. Enter the flow and the pipe name. When it's not appearing on a list, remember you are able to create your own pipe series. Change the fluid characteristics to the desired ones. HySelect will show you the different pipe sizes with their linear differential pressure and speed, indicating the flow regime with it. The green text line highlights the recommended pipe size according to your parameters. The kV values calculation tool is used to calculate the equivalent kV factor of a pipe along which several items are placed in series. Remember that 2 kV values in series, so 2 restrictions in series, this could be a filter and a ball valve for example, will have a total kV. This kV will always be smaller than the smallest of the 2. So here you will add up 2 or more kV values in series. Let's take the example of one filter with as information that for 1500 liters per hour it creates a pressure drop of 10 kPa. Enter the values and click on Add. The second restriction, the ball valve, has a kV coefficient of 10. Click Add and you see the result of the calculation appearing below. Click on one of the reference to delete. Notice that there are 2 more options to enter the kV value. It is the CV, so with imperial units, and the zeta value. The last calculator of the 4 is the well-known hydronic calculator, using the standard hydronic equation, giving you the opportunity to calculate flow versus differential pressure versus kV, or flow versus power versus delta T, and flow versus valve and differential pressure, all considering the correct fluid characteristics. For each calculation, you should select 2 variables that you know, and the system will compute the third one. The unit conversion tool, this tool is used to simply and quickly convert a value given in one unit to another unit. The TA-Link tool is used to check the connection with TA-Link and to compute, according to the TA-Link type, the analog signal output it will issue when mounted on the selected valve in the specified configuration.